Okay, maybe that's better. Nope, it's still flashing at the side. Let's see if we can. Can I get in the middle of the frame? Yes, just. Hi. Sorry for that weird, and you can have, it's a strange background. I'm sorry. It is a super sunny day, and it's the first super sunny day in ages. Are you filming? You're filming. The super sunny day in ages, it seems like, in Nova Scotia, and I've been able to film. I have the house to myself, and I have the Barkbox for Hello Socks coming down the stairs. The Barkbox for May 2019 came in today. So today is like June 3rd. So fantastic. Hi. So this month's theme is Sniffs from the Abyss. I'm sorry, I'm gonna wind up being weird and off center. I'm gonna do my best. So these are all of the potential toys that they could get. Barkbox is a monthly subscription service for your pets. They have various chewer levels. They have various size levels. I know that they have dog boxes. I think they have cat boxes now. I'm not super sure. There's usually like a theme to the box, and then they have themed paper. Hello, ma'am. Are you coming down? Oh, I see. Oh, I know that these toys tend to be favorites among these guys because they have several squeakers in them. And then it also crinkles. I don't know if you can hear my beagle grunting behind me. Well, more in front of me, but. So, yeah. So we have 3 squeakers. Yeah. And then, so this is the heavy chewer box, not the regular box. I stepped down from the super chewer box a little while ago because it turns out that all my dogs want to destroy everything. They don't want it to be a challenge. Those things were too hard for them to chew, and they didn't like it. So I wound up rehoming a majority of the things. So this we have is this fish thingy. Okay, which one of you wants it? Foxy, do you want it? Foxy? Foxy, do you want? Buddy, do you want? You're just licking it. Okay, you know what? I also have the extra toy add-on. Oh, Soxy, this looks up to your speed. So we've got some rope to work on with this guy and some big flaily arms. And he's very fuzzy. Very, very soft. So this style of toys they really like. So these pretty much always have a squeaker in them. They're soft, very soft. This one has a weird squeaker. If there is a squeaker. There we go. Nice. I'm still okay with that. Are you okay? Do you want this one, Soxy? Let me just make sure all the plastic's off. I swear they can't count, but I've been getting these for a couple months now, and it's like they know when I've run out of toys. I just want to get the plastic off. Okay, guys, Soxy, do you want? Soxy? Soxy, do you want your friend? Maybe it's meant to be a fuzzy lobster. I'm not clear. Oh. And then this thingy, which has a weird, like there seems to be like a Velcro patch. I'm not really clear what is going on there. I don't know. Two disc squeakers and a crinkle. Connect the Velcro strip to turn this toy into... Oh! I'm an idiot. There's 2 Velcro spots. So you can turn this into a ball. Okay, so normally there we go. Normally he's out like that. And then you squish them together and he's a ball. Oh! That's really cool. I've never seen it. And then he looks really weird. So he's always like a beetle thingy. That's really cool. Okay. So yeah, we have the Heavy Chewer box with the extra toy add-on that you can get if you sign on with them for 12 months. This isn't sponsored. I had this one time and I really enjoyed it, so I started up again. Foxy. She will play with things, but Buddy's more like... Let me see. Oh, and then we have... They always include at least one, if not two, chews in here. Let me just see if there's only one. Oh, that's weird. Okay, normally there's at least one. There's supposed to be two chews, I think. This is from Jones, which I know that they're really good with. And this is a canine bacon roll, small. So, I mean, that's fine. I know that they're really good with Jones, and I know that if it says bacon roll, it's only made with pork belly, which I will give to the big dog, not today, because that's her reward for Buddy stealing all the toys, is she gets the chews for herself, because she has jaws of steel. And then, this is also the allergy box, because Socks is allergic to chicken and duck and rabbit, and Buddy can't have most fish items, or a lot of, well, usually a lot of pork, or like really awful, like awful as in like organ meat, because it's too rich for him. So this is peanut butter and banana, tastes from the deep, and they're like these squares. I don't know if you can see. Ah, there you are. And then this is grass-fed beef bits, and so it's like a jerky product. You can see there. Anyway, so yeah, you get 2 bags of treats every month. You normally get 2 toys and at least 1 chew. I'm really sure it's supposed to be 2 chews. So I don't know what happened there. Interesting. Probably fine. I'm not going to bother to call them for one missing chew. I'll probably go and check and make sure. But other than that, I think we're good. But yeah. Nope, that was really cool. I'm super pleased with that. The dog seems super pleased with that. They do like the toys, and the toys are very tough. Unless you have a really extreme chewer. I would say that for me personally, I'm probably going to finish up my year term with them, and then sort of like get a box here and there as I feel I need it. But mostly a lot of their toys were getting really rad-assed because somebody, yes, you Beagle, is a very aggressive. But then he runs around with like the faces of his stuffed animals, so he gets really sad if we take them. Hi, I'm out of things. I'm out of things. Okay, he's just looking up at me with his wrinkly forehead like, but what do you mean we're done? There should be more toys. There's no more. There is no more. There's no more. Anyway, so that's everything for this. I will try and figure out a better setup. I mean, ultimately, there's a window behind me and I'm not going to move my desk. So my options are limited. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye.